everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
Christmas looks like the one that you used to know.
Okay guys, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a PR haul. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing one again because I feel like I just filmed one. I think it was last month. But I try to do these pretty often on my channel when I accumulate 5 different things that I want to show you, or from 5 different brands. I kind of just like to showcase them in a collective haul, and I can do my own thing with individual reviews and stuff at another time, but I honestly also really like to combine them into one video, so you guys are kind of getting like mini reviews on each thing. And if you are looking for discount codes, coupon codes, and that sort of thing, you're looking for maybe some Christmas gifts, anything like that, or like just gift ideas in general, even if it's like gifting yourself something, I find that watching PR hauls are really helpful because there's usually some kind of coupon code in those videos to get you some dollars off whatever it is you may be looking for. And it's also gotten me to try out a lot of things that I would have normally not tried. So let's get right into this one, you guys. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I am uploading every single day for the month of December until the 26th for Vlogmas. Thank you so much to all these brands I worked with in today's video. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't have been able to film this. And thank you guys for continuing to support my channel. These brands would have never reached out to me if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you, thank you. Let's get right into the video, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna start off with, I try not to be like, okay, like this is the most exciting thing in this video, but honestly, I'm so thankful for this. I never in my life thought I would ever work with Urban Decay. Urban Decay. So Urban Decay Canada reached out to me back in September, and I did film this as a short unboxing this because I was so excited, and I honestly was not expecting this. This is what happened. Urban Decay reached out to me. I did their whole little, they had like a little link with a survey and all that in there, and then I don't even remember doing this because it was around the time I was getting married, and I honestly think it was on the road trip to where I was going to get married when they reached out to me, and I like signed up right away, and I didn't even remember that I signed up for this. So when this came in the mail, I was like, what is that? And then I was like, oh my god, it's Urban Decay. I got a PR package from Urban Decay. This is insane. So it came like this. It came like a gift. It's so beautiful. So thank you so much, Urban Decay Canada. I'm like floored by this, and I have been using one of these in particular because I think it's perfect for the winter time. So I got the Glow, the Natural, and then the Mattifying. So normally, since I am such an oily skin girly, I would be drawn toward these two. I have used this one before, but I haven't tried out the Mattifying one yet. But yeah, like we're fully in winter right now, so I have been using the one in the Glow, and it's been great. I'm using it today on my face, and I have been using this every single day. It's been winter and kind of dry out, so I have been gravitating toward this one. But yeah, this is more like summertime, and then this is like an all year round one. I really like the all-nighter spray. Why? I feel like every time I film there's sirens, and then like throughout the day there is none. I honestly didn't even know that Urban Decay made other ones besides the natural one. So I am excited to try out all of these. So the Glow one, it says performance that stands the test of time, boost glow for a dewy finish formulated with glycerin. And then the middle one, performance that stands the test of time, temperature cooling technology, and weightless. And the Mattifying one, same thing, performance that stands the test of time, combats shine for a matte finish, and formulated with rice powder. Okay, yeah, so that is my PR package from Urban Decay. Thank you again, Urban Decay Canada. I love the packaging. I love everything about this, and yeah, it was a pleasure to work with you. Let's move on to the next thing, which is Magic Bra. Guys, I haven't even opened this yet. This is going to be a surprise. We're gonna open this one together. I'm too lazy to look for my knife, so I'm just gonna open it by hand. Okay, so it's been a pleasure to work with Magic Bra so often. Thank you guys so much at Magic Bra for always reaching out to me and being a pleasure to work with over the past couple years. I really do enjoy your products, and I am looking forward to trying this one out. So they sent me this bra right here from their newest collection, and it did come with this cute little thank you note from them. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Ooh, so cute. Okay, this is so nice. It is so nice. I can tell that the quality is really good just by feeling the bra, and you guys will too. So I know I do have a coupon code with them, so I'll leave it somewhere here on the screen as well. And what I love about their bras is, look at this. So there's a bunch of different adjustments here on the back. So if you know, need more support and all of that, this is great. So I love a good, you know, hook and eye closure like that. And this is what the bra looks like right here. It is in the nude color. It is in this beautiful nude color, and I feel like I do need more nudes. I used to be a person that would only ever buy super bright bras, like things that are like hot pink or red, or I don't know, just all the funky colors, because that's what I was drawn to every time I would walk into Victoria's Secret. I honestly quickly realized that you can see it under all of my clothing, so I need something that's nude like this. I need more of these. I do have quite the selection of black bras now, but I need more nude in my collection for sure. Like if I'm wearing a white dress or something like that, or like a white top, I need this. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying this out. This is from their newest collection, and it is really nice. It is like full coverage right there on the cups, which is really nice. I also used to always go for like the half or like the quarter, I don't know what it's called, but the smaller cup size, so it wasn't like full coverage, but I'm digging the full coverage as well. This is so nice. Like I feel like this is going to be so comfortable underneath all of my clothing. So love this. Thank you again, Magic Bra, for sending me this. I'm looking forward to wearing this really soon. Okay, so next up I have a health supplement, and honestly I have been actually approached pretty recently by quite a few health supplement companies, which is awesome. I know you guys have seen my hiking vlogs here on YouTube, and that's probably why you are reaching out to me. But yes, I do definitely appreciate the health supplements that I have been receiving in the past, you know, few months or so. I've gotten some really great electrolytes, and I also got a really good supplement from Primal Queen, and now I'm going to be trying out Joyous. So this is their Zen Focus, and now I'm going to be trying out Joyous. Thank you so much, Joyous, for reaching out to me. I'm really looking forward to trying out this product. I have not opened it yet. This actually came in the mail, like in my mailbox with Canada Post, which is like, I don't get a lot of things in that mailbox. I usually get things by FedEx or from Amazon or from UPS, and they get sent right directly to my mail room. My Canada Post mailbox is kind of annoying to get to because it's all the way down in the parkade, and I don't check it very often, but I was pretty surprised when I went there and I found this package. So I'm going to be trying this out really soon. But yeah, this is their Zen Focus right here. It has a lot of really good for you ingredients if you are, you know, needing more energy in your life. I not only need energy to be focused on a daily basis at work, because I work so damn early in the morning. Honestly, I don't really work so damn early in the morning. I work at either 8 or 9 a.m. and it's a lot for me. I'm not a morning person, and I never used to work this shift so often for such a long period of time. I'm used to shift work. Honestly, like, that's so crazy to say, but my body is used to shift work. And so me having to be a morning person for 5 days a week, plus maybe some if I'm going hiking on the weekend, I need something that's going to give me energy and that's not going to make me crash. Also, this is a good one for focus. It has things like ginkgo biloba in here. There's ashwagandha root, lion's mane, and that's basically one of the reasons why I said yes to this product, because I have used lion's mane in the past. I really like this drink called Joy Burst, and it is like one of my favorite drinks ever at Costco. If you're ever looking for a good lion's mane drink, that is a really good one. It's natural energy. Lion's mane is actually like a mushroom, so the fact that this one had it in it, I was like, yes, please sign me up. I want to try it. So I am looking forward to incorporating this into my daily vitamin routine, and I'm gonna see where it takes me. And yeah, that is by Joyous. Thank you so much, Joyous. And like, again, I will have that link down below. You can actually get that on Amazon if you guys were wondering, so I will have that linked down below. Okay, so next up we have Cacoe right here, and I have a couple things from them, and I honestly kind of feel bad because I was supposed to film 2 shorts for them for YouTube, and then I sprained my ankle. I had ideas for this, okay? I had ideas for both of these things, and they involve me going out into nature, going out hiking, which I love doing, and which I was going to be, you know, consistently doing every single week until the end of the year. I was actually on a 52 hike challenge this year, and I'm at 40 something right now, and I'm not gonna make it. We're already like halfway through December, and I still have like, I think it is less than 10 hikes to do, but I sprained my ankle last week, so I haven't been out since then, and I don't know when I'm going to be back at that point of like being able to be out there with my ankle situation. So I'm really sad about that, but I'll get back into it. I'll film their video hopefully very soon. But yeah, they've been so understanding and so responsive with their messages and stuff. They've been great. So really great customer service. So I got a couple things from them. I got the phone lanyards as well as the wireless keyboard. And I honestly was so close to filming a video with this the last time I went hiking, but it was starting to get dark and I was still like fully in the woods at that point. So I was like, you know what? I can wait and I'll do it in the daytime at some other point in time. But this is so awesome because I can edit videos and stuff like that while I'm on the go, basically. And I like how light this is. I like how thin it is. It honestly looks like a wallet. It does not take up that much space at all. I can bring this with me when I'm hiking. I can edit videos at the top of a mountain, whatever the case may be, if I really wanted to. And what's really cool about this is it like stands up. So this part right here, it folds just like that. So you just need a flat surface, honestly, maybe like a rock or a picnic table or something if you want to do this on the go, or you know, if you're trying to do work in your car, anything like that, anything on the go. This is a really cool wireless keyboard. So you can put your phone right here, and it's soft, it's smooth and all that, and yeah, it connects via Bluetooth. It's a very nice keyboard, and I love the color. Love the color. That's what stood out to me, was the color. I was like, that is a really beautiful keyboard. So yeah, that is what I got from them. I got this and then a couple of phone lanyards, which I am also really looking forward to trying because I do a lot of activities. I do a lot of hiking. This came with 2. So it came with a blue and it came with a black. And yeah, these are basically, so you can put your phone, these are for your phone, you can put your phone around your, you know, around your neck, right? So if you're out in the woods, you want to film stuff, you want to be hands-free, which I struggle with a lot because especially if I need 2 hiking poles at some points, it's very hard for me to be hands-free unless I'm using my action camera and it's like strapped to my backpack or something like that. That's the only time I'll be like phone free, but sometimes I need to look at my map. Honestly, I go on some trails that are not very well marked or anything like that, and I need to have my phone handy, but I also don't want to be carrying it in my hand throughout the whole hike. So this is going to be a lifesaver and I cannot wait. It's actually really long too. It is adjustable if you guys were wondering. So this is the black one. It is adjustable so I can make it smaller, and I can just have my phone on my neck and I can just pull it out whenever I need to and go on it, and that is it. You know, I can be hands-free for most of my hike, which you know, this is gonna be a lifesaver. I don't know why I didn't find these sooner because last summer I honestly struggled so much with that. So thank you, Cacoe, and I hope I can film your 2 shorts very soon. I hope I can get back into hiking and being in nature because it really kills me not to be out there, honestly, because it really kills me to not be out there. Okay, moving on to the very last brand, which is Fytoo. I featured these pretty recently on my channel, so that's why I saved them for last. But I did a full review on these, which is already up. I kind of was like struggling in the beginning of Vlogmas. I'm still struggling because I need to like bulk film, to be honest with you. And it also gets dark here really quickly. Like right now when I started filming, it was full on daytime, and now it's like we're in the dark already at this point, and it's not even 5 p.m. yet. So gotta love winter. But I got these 3 pairs of glasses from Fytoo. I will leave my coupon code here on the screen if you guys want to check them out. Fytoo is an awesome glasses company. They have a bunch of different styles for literally every single person. So if you are looking for a new pair of glasses for yourself, or if you want to gift someone a pair of glasses, it is honestly such a good deal on their website. It's not like you're buying them from the ophthalmologist clinic or something like that and you're spending like hundreds and hundreds of dollars on glasses. Like, you can literally get such a good deal on glasses from Fytoo. The first one I'm going to show you is the sunglasses, and I think I mentioned this in my haul. I mentioned that I've never had a, you know, like a good prescription pair of sunglasses. So these right here, this is what they look like. Love them. They're kind of funky, kind of cute, and I kind of want to have them in my car actually, so I'm gonna throw these in like a harder case just because things get thrown around in my car kind of often, and you know, when I'm looking for something in my glove box and I can't find it and I have to like empty everything on the seat, I want it to be in a harder case than what they gave me, which is like the soft case. So if I can find something, I will like definitely have these in my car at the ready. But yeah, these are really cute, and I would have not normally gone for this style, to be honest with you, but I am looking forward to wearing them. Next up are, oh yeah, these ones. I filmed like 2 videos with these on, and I really like them. They are these right here. Look at how cute these are. I absolutely love them. I think they really suit me, and I think that I am more inclined to buy more black framed pairs of glasses because I don't really have a lot of black pairs. I don't really have a lot of these kind of frames in my glasses. I kind of normally go for like a plastic, kind of see-through, like the first pair that I showed you, but these are so cute. I love them. And then my very last pair are something that I would always go for as far as the frames anyways, but like the style, not really. I don't really go for a lot of rectangular frames. They all come with this, what is it called, like a glass cleaner. So cute. These are so me, but at the same time I normally go for cat eye. These are more rectangular, which I really like. And I love the color of the frames. I love that they are this beautiful champagne color. So that's all I got from Fytoo. Thank you so much, Fytoo. It was a pleasure working with you. Again, they reached out to me back in the summertime when I was like hella busy with wedding planning and backpacking and hiking, and just like my summer went so quickly this year, and they were so patient with me. I reached out back to them in like, I want to say like October, and they still wanted to work with me. So thank you so much, Fytoo. I really enjoyed all 3 pairs of the glasses that you sent me, and please go support all of these brands. They were all amazing. Customer service was absolutely top notch. So I will leave everything linked in the description box below, as well as in the pinned comment with my coupon codes for every single one of these brands. Thank you so much again to Fytoo, Cacoe, Joyous Nutrition, Magic Bra, and Urban Decay for working with me. So that is all for this video. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload every single day until the 26th of December for Vlogmas, and I will see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Bye.
Of a white Christmas with every Christmas card.